It doesn't matter if you have brand new Home Assistant installation or there are years of experience and fine-tuning in your config files. Now is the best time to set up a reliable Home Assistant backup to GitHub and start experimenting and enhancing without worries. Hello, Kirill Peranskis here. If you are watching this, then you are probably already have working Home Assistant. If not, then you better watch this video or this video, install your Home Assistant and then come back here. As you may know, you can use Home Assistant snapshots for backup, but there is one major drawback doing this. The snapshots are stored locally. So I will show you another Home Assistant backup method where your configuration files will be stored securely on GitHub. Set and forget method. Home Assistant runs on a series of YAML files. So if you manage to automatically backup and version control these files on a remote host, you will be one step closer to the best DevOps practices, where you treat your server not as pet, but as cattle that can be easily replaced if needed. Now, let's start this video. Go to Supervisor menu, Add-on Store and search for SSH and Web Terminal add-on and click Install. When installation finished, you can enable Show on Sidebar option to show the terminal here. We're going to use some Linux commands in terminal, but don't worry, they are not complicated and I will try to explain as best as I can. You have to disable the protection mode. Protection mode will grant elevated system access of this add-on. We will need this. You can quickly scan the documentation and best practices here. Then go to configuration and just add a password here. It is recommended to use a key, but for the sake of this demo, I will use the password because it's faster and easier. So I'll put anything here as a password. I'll click Save and I'll go back to the Info tab and I'll click Start. I'll check the logs if everything is fine. I think I can open the terminal now. Yes, it is working. Git de facto is the standard for versioning control system. GitHub is online repository for backup, contributing and sharing source code. Go to github.com and create an user there. It's free and it's easy. If you already have one, just use it and then click on the plus button and select new repository. Type a name here. HA Backup will be my name, description is optional, and here you can choose public or private repo. I will choose private. You can have public or private repos in your GitHub account. I will use private repository as I want to store my Home Assistant passwords there. But if you wish, you can make your Home Assistant config files public. Just don't forget to take care about your passwords by not adding your secrets.yaml file to the repo, for example. If you decide to go all in with private repos and put everything inside just like me, it is highly recommended to enable two-form factor authentication for your GitHub account for better protection. And I'll hit Create Repository. Now I will go back to my Home Assistant and I'll select the terminal add-on. I'm in the config folder. This is where my Home Assistant configuration is. Find yours. If you use Home Assistant operating system, probably your folder is the same. If you use Home Assistant supervised method of installation, find the folder where the configuration.yaml is and enter inside it. Then I'll create one file named git.gitignore and I'll copy the following lines inside it and I'll quickly explain what they are doing. This asterisk means ignore everything. Then you can whitelist the following folders and files. That means add all YAML file to repository, add gitignore file to the repository, md, sh, and so on and so on. These two lines will add the SSH folder. I'll talk about it later. And this will add also the Node-RED configuration. If you have Node-RED installed as add-on in Home Assistant, you can leave this row like that, and you have also the Node-RED flows backed on Git. Then ignore the following folders and files. That's it. This is very useful file and very useful feature in Git. You have to use it wisely. If you don't want to include, for example, secrets.yaml file, where usually all the passwords are, you can uncomment this row just like that, but I'll leave it commented, so this file will be included in my repository because my repository is private. So I'll Control X and I'll hit Y and enter to save the file, and then I'll continue with the following command, which command initialized empty Git repository. Then I'll add all files in this folder according to the rules in the gitignore to the current repository with this command git add dot, and then I'll execute git commit -m first commit. This command will create my first commit and will add the message first commit to it. I'll hit enter, and then I can go back to my GitHub account and I'll copy this line. As you can see, the instructions from GitHub are almost the same, with few options to add a readme file, which are optional. So I'll copy this line here and I'll paste it in my terminal, and then I'll push the repository to GitHub using the following line. And as I expected, I don't have the correct access right. To fix this error, I'll do the following. I will create an empty folder inside the config folder named .ssh. Then I'll execute the following command. Don't worry, you can get all of the commands that you see here from the video description. This will create a private and public key, and this script will ask me where to store these keys, and I want to store these keys inside the newly created folder. So I'll just enter the following and I'll hit enter. I'll not type any passphrase because I want to automate this at the end, but you see that. And the key, the private key and the public key are ready and saved inside my new folder. Now I want to copy the content of one of the files, the public one, just to select it. I'm using the file editor plugin because if I execute the following command that will show the content of this file, I cannot copy from here easily. I don't know why. So I'm using the file editor for this. I'll copy the content and then I'll go back to the GitHub. I'll click on the plus button, no, on my profile, and then on settings, SSH and GPG keys, and then new
SSH key. I will name it somehow HA key, and I'll paste the content inside it. And then I'll click Add SSH key. I think I'm ready with that. GitHub, a new public key was added. Good.
Because we have stored the SSH key in a non-standard location, we have to tell Git where to find it with the following command.
But now I have to tell Git where my keys are. To do that, I'll use the following command just once. Maybe I have issues with the quotes, so I will type them again. Yes, it was an issue with the quotes. For some reason, Apple Notes add some strange characters, Unicode characters instead of quotes, sometimes. So I'll hit enter, and this time the command is successful. I can continue forward with the git push -u origin master. This time the command finished successfully, and just upload all of my files in the GitHub, as you can see from here. Here is my HA backup repository. All of the files configured in gitignore are added to my first commit. This was the manual part. Don't be afraid, you have to do this only once, and then I will show you how to automate everything.
We can manually do Home Assistant backup on GitHub, but let's make this process automatic. The first step is to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Just kidding, let's continue.
To automate everything, I will create one script using nanotext editor. I will name it ha_git push.sh, and I will copy the following lines inside it.
Question of the day. Do you make regular backups of your Home Assistant? Type simple yes or no in the comment section below, and I will know for what are you talking about.
This script is very simple. It will change the directory to config folder, then it will commit all the changes with this option -a, and then add this message to the commit: config files on the current date and time. Then it will push all of the changes to the GitHub. Very simple and very useful. I'll Ctrl X and Y to save the file. Now I will make this file executable with the following command. And now I will execute it once to test if everything is okay. I have issues with the quotes again. Bad macOS notes. Yes, this character seems to be not okay. Ctrl X, Y to save the file and enter. And then I'll execute again the script. This time everything seems to be normal. And I have a new commit with one file changed and 6 inserts. And as you can see, all YAML files are added to the repo, as well as the Node-RED folder with all the configurations and flows. And of course the SSH with the public and private keys. Now, to automate this, I'll go to Home Assistant, Configuration, Automations, and I'll hit the plus button. I'll skip this, I'll name my automation Home Assistant config push to Git. Whatever, it doesn't really matter. Trigger will be time. Currently 6:15, I'll add it to 6:17. And the actions will be service, call service. The service will be as IO add-on standard in. And I'll copy these two lines. Of course, you can add these lines in automations.yaml, or you can use the GUI. The result is the same. I will put the whole automations in the video description, and I'll click save. Now if I return back to automations, I'll see mine, and because I missed the time, I'll execute it manually. Last triggered. Now let me check. Yes, everything seems to be fine. Automations.yaml is changed in 1817. Very good.
Hey, if you like this video, join me again next Wednesday when I will release my new video. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified. Now, let's go back.
From now on, every day at 1817, your configuration will be backed up automatically to GitHub. You can of course change this to time pattern and say every minute. That means execute this automation every minute or every hour, or for example every 6 hours, and click save. Now the automation will be executed every 6 hours.
From now on, you can break your Home Assistant installation whenever you wish, and this is how you can restore it.
Let me go back to the terminal. If you want to restore, let's say you made a big mistake in your final commit and you want to roll back, this is how you can do this. With git log, you can see all of the commits until now in your repository, and this is the current commit. For example, if I want to return to this point, the previous commit, currently I'm at this, but I want to go back one commit. To do that, I'll execute the following command: git reset hard hat this character. And I'm ready. I return one commit back. If I want to undo what I just did, the hard reset, I'll execute the following: git reset hard hat and these characters. Don't try to remember them, just get them from the video description and write them somewhere where you can find them. I'll hit enter, and as you can see, my hat is again 1817. If I want to go back 2 commits or 3, I'll use this command: git reset hard hat tilt2. And as you can see, my state and every file that I have is returned back to this time, back in time. And I'll again undo the hard reset with this command: 1817.
Any sort of engagement on this channel does really help a lot with the YouTube algorithm, so you make sure that you hit the subscribe, like and bell buttons if you enjoyed this video. Also, feel free to add me on Twitter by searching for this username. I'm trying to post there frequently. You can also find me on my Discord server as well. If you want to become one of my supporters, you can see exactly how in the video description below. I really hope that you find this information useful and you now know how to properly do a Home Assistant backup to GitHub. Stay safe and don't forget, Home Smart but not hard. Thank you for watching. See you next time.